Boom, shakalaka. It's fun. This is when it's fun, folks. I was going to make this video yesterday. For those of you that follow my channel, congratulations if you got in down here. I was saying I'm going to regret not getting in under 6. I ended up getting in for a total, after I got everything in, for a little over $8. But look at that, folks. It's just, I just turned this recorder on. It was at $18.40. It's pumping right now. This went up to like 19.20. It's 4:30 in the morning, Thursday, August 11th. This was pumping yesterday. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and like and do all that jazz. I've been doing good stuff the last few months with this Redbox chicken soup for the soul deal. Talked a couple times about Redbox. My last 3 trades, Redbox was 100%, 100%. And I just say I don't force the issue. Once cryptocurrency gets back into its next hype cycle, then I'll probably be making daily videos and that stuff. But for right now, I don't force this. I just, if something occurs to me and I just see it and I say, hey, I should do this, that's when I do it. And this is my 3rd trade in like the last 3 months or so. If this stays where it's at, it might come down when it opens. It's up 130% right now. So I might be looking to sell right here. Like I was saying, sell early is a mistake, but it's kind of like playing poker, right? Folding is a small mistake, right? So selling early is, it's just a small mistake. I could sell right now and be up 130%. Well, I got to wait till the market's open. It's not like crypto, of course. If I sell when market's open, I'll be up about 130%. And, but this thing could end up shooting up to like, if it gets a lot of steam, it could go up here and test all-time new highs. I don't know. I was saying 20 to 24 will probably be resistance, something to watch. But in my book, if I sold right now, I'd be a happy camper, and but then I'd sell, and then I could watch it go up to 200 or 300%, and I'd be like, I wish I got in. But I already explained that, right? I'm just trying to not make any more mistakes, just to do the right thing. And if I just do the right thing constantly over the last 3 years, I would have basically been a multimillionaire from just basically scratch. But I'm basically even right now, and let's see. I like to explain that stuff because I make mistakes and I learn from the mistakes, and I like to share that info. But anyways, this is what I want to make this video about. This is really interesting here. Okay, the deal. Chicken Soup for the Soul bought Redbox, and the deal is that for every share of Redbox you own, the very last day when Redbox closes and ceases to exist, you'll get 0.087, also known as 8.7% of a Chicken Soup for the Soul share. And that was a really bad thing previously. But what's happening now is now you got to look at it different, right? This could get really interesting. Okay, so for every Redbox, like I was saying, why don't buy Redbox, sell Redbox, but there's a point coming that's kind of there right now where maybe you do look at buying a bunch of Redbox shares, and here's why. Because when the last day, they don't. That's the problem, right? They haven't announced when that day will be, but it's sometime in the next few months, anyways. Sometime in 2022 from here. And but this is what I wanted to show you. This is 8.7%, right? Every Redbox share you own, you'll get 8.7% of a share of Chicken Soup for the Soul stock share, right? Just that right there, right? Redbox stock investors will receive 8.7% share of a Chicken Soup for the Soul stock for each share of Redbox stock they own. So that was really negative before, but I want to show you this now. This is really interesting. Now you could get burned. You could severely get burned because you don't know when. If Chicken Soup for the Soul dumps hard back down to like $9 or $10, right? Or if a bunch of people start buying Redbox because of what I'm about to show you, Redbox could go back up. But as long as the Redbox is tanking and Chicken Soup's going up, this is something really, really kind of unique and something you should take a look at. Something to think about, anyways. But you could get burned real easily if Chicken Soup for the Soul, has a sell-off, which is likely going to occur. But let's see right now. I did it earlier when it was like $18.40. It's going back down now. But anyways, just this is the game plan or the outline. I want to show you what I'm thinking here. $19.03 times 0.087, which is 8.7%. What is 8.7% of 1903? $1.65. Well, the price just went up, so it's like $1.66, right? So if Redbox is below $1.66 and Chicken Soup for the Soul is at 1907, where it's at right now, that's equilibrium. That's like sea level, right? That's the balancing point. It's literally there right now. But what happens if Redbox dumps down to like 50 or 60 cents and Chicken Soup goes up to like, 25, like I was saying, 20, 24? Or what if it just shatters through that? There's resistance through here, most likely coming at 20 to 24. And but what if it does break through there, right? And it goes up to like 30 or 40 or $50, right? And Redbox is sitting at like 60 cents, right? So that's you could end up buying Redbox, right? If you're buying Redbox at 60 cents, if it gets too far goofy, you could buy Redbox for a tiny price, and then see what I'm saying? If you buy Redbox right now today at $1.65, you'll get $1.65 worth of Chicken Soup for the Soul. But if these two keep going in opposite directions, let's pull up Redbox. So in a sea of green yesterday, across the board, almost everywhere, Redbox did this. Boom. Bow. Down like 59%, 50% in a day. But look at that. It's literally right there, $1.65, right? This is really interesting. So if you bought Redbox right now at $1.65 and the deal was done tomorrow, and Chicken Soup for the Soul is at like $19.07, where it's at right now, your $1.65 Redbox share would be worth $1.65 in Chicken Soup share. But that's what I'm saying, right? What if Redbox dumps another 60% from here? You could end up buying Redbox at like 50 or 60 cents. I'm not saying it's going to do this, but it's something to keep an eye on, where you could actually make a ton of money if you plan it, if you do it perfectly. But you could also get burned. I just want to bring this to your attention. Say Redbox just keeps going down and down and down and down, and people with a ton of money don't actually realize exactly what's going on. Like, I should be buying Redbox, right? But that's the scary part. People might realize this, and the price of Redbox could shoot way up, and that would ruin the whole deal. And if Chicken Soup dumped, then it would be even more awful, right? But this is kind of a sneaky little thing. If you see Redbox go down to 50 or 60 cents, and you say, let's go to the 5-year chart. Chicken Soup for the Soul right now at 19. Say Chicken Soup goes up to like $40, tests all-time new highs, right? If it's way up here, right? If it comes up to way up here, and Redbox is like 50, 60 cents, you could jump on Redbox, and when the deal's done, you could make a massive profit. You know what I'm saying? Because let's just run the numbers. I mean, just for perspective, let's say Chicken Soup for the Soul goes to $40 and it's sitting there, right, late in the year, or whenever. That's the problem. They haven't announced the exact date when Redbox, the very last day Redbox closes and ceases to exist. That's where the 8.7% comes into play. That's where the prices that day when they close. That'll be the official prices for each one. But let's say Chicken Soup's sitting at $40, right? This is just for fun, right? What's 8.7% of $40? $3.48. So what if you bought a bunch of Redbox shares at 50 cents? Overnight you can make $3 per share, right? So if you bought 1,000 shares of Redbox at 50 cents, you'd make $3,000 overnight, right? That'd be a 300%. It'd be about 300% gain, right? If Chicken Soup was at $40 and Redbox was at 50 cents. So I just want to bring that to your attention. I need to get this video done. I sure hope you liked it. And for those of you that take cues from my when I say, hey, I think I should probably be doing this, congratulations. Look at that. It's going up and up and up. It's one of those deals overnight, up and up and up and up and up. All right, end the video. I sure hope you liked it. Subscribe, like, and take advantage of some of these long-term plays. I seem to have a little knack for spotting. Later.